To underline in Google Sheets, start by selecting the cell or range of cells you want to format. This can be a single cell or multiple cells, depending on your needs. Once you have selected the cells, go to the toolbar at the top of the Google Sheets window and click on the Format tab. In the Format tab, hover over the text option, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Underline. This will immediately apply an underline to the selected cells. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-U to underline the selected cells. If you want to remove the underline, simply select the cells again and go back to the Format tab. Hover over the text option, and from the drop-down menu, select Underline again. This will toggle off the underline, removing it from the selected cells. Alternatively, you can also use the font dialog box to underline text in Google Sheets. To do this, select the cells you want to format, then go to the Format tab and select Font. In the Font dialog box, check the box next to Underline to apply the underline. You can also choose the underline style and color from this dialog box. Best practices for underlining in Google Sheets include using underlines sparingly to draw attention to important information, and using consistent formatting throughout your spreadsheet to make it easy to read and understand. By following these steps and tips, you can effectively use underlines in Google Sheets to enhance the clarity and readability of your spreadsheets.